How you doing, guys? Time to change out the air filter on a 2023 Mazda 3 sedan. First thing I do is pop the hood. If you don't know how to do that, I suggest you take it somewhere else to have this done. But once you pop the hood, that's where the air filter is going to go, in that housing there. I just picked this up at the local parts store. Now before we get into this, you see all the little fine particulate dust. I'm going to take my blower and blow that off. Alright, I just like to blow the dust off. So once you get that, you got these little clips here. You just hit it down, it comes right off. 1, 2, and that's it. Then you can pop this off, slide the old filter out, it's not too dirty, but that's okay. Okay, now we can open up the new one, and you can see the difference there. Let's put it in. Just lift that back up. Slide that in. Push this down. Clip it back in. Gotta make sure it's all the way in. These clips down here. There it goes. Now push down and clip. Push down and clip. And there you have it.